Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video we're going to discuss comments in C. So I'm going to create a file called comments.c, and I'm going to start off with a multi-line comment that a lot of people include at the head of their document. So to start a multi-line comment, you have a forward slash and an asterisk, and then to end the comment, you have a backslash or an asterisk and a backslash. Okay, so a lot of people, when they start their program, they make a bunch of comments and they kind of do it in this format here where they have the asterisks in between and they say the author of the program. So author is Timothy Unkert. The purpose of the program to display comments and let's say multi-line comments and single line comments. Okay, and then I might also put something like a copyright up here. Okay, and then we end that comment. Okay, then we would start our program. We'd include the header file here, and then we'd have our main function. And in our previous video, we had some printf. We had something like Dean is the coolest character on Supernatural. And then we had an escape character, and then we had printf. Castiel is also pretty cool. And do another escape character, and then we have return 0. Now, if I wanted to, what I could do is do a single line comment above, and that's with 2 forward slashes. And I could say this outputs a string about Dean. And then if I want to go down, do another multi-line comment, this outputs a string about Castiel. Okay, so that's a little bit about how you comment in C programs. It's helpful to comment just so you can come back to the program maybe a few months later or years later and figure out what you were trying to do, or for other developers. So it's important to know how to do multi-line comments and single line comments. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications if you haven't done so already. And I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.